I've been ignoring my DJI Mini 3 Pro's cracked propeller for a wee while. I have a complete new set, but I just need one blade. I've wrecked them before. Here's the dodgy blade. Check the others while you're at it. Look, all the blades aren't identical. Front right and rear left are all the same. That's how they're packaged. Front left and rear right identical. First unscrew the old and dispose of the blade and the screw. I suggest working over a tray. This is one way, not the best way in my humble opinion. Then the minute screw, a new one. I think easier to put the screw into the blade first. I would normally hold the screw in place and with the screwdriver in my free hand. Tight enough, but don't horse the new screw in too tight. Make sure the prop blade is nicely seated, then screw. You'll have a spare hand to stop the unit rotating. Remember, just tight enough. Check all the other screws and job's done. A little test flight confirmed, all was well, except my CAA registration had expired. 700 videos on my main channel, have a look at them, at Terry McGeary Scotland. Thanks for looking.